As we were handing people over their new VPS system, we were finding that some of our customers had a bit of trepidation about using a VPS, as they had never operated a remote desktop before. So I thought I would make this video so that I could show you how easy it is and how familiar and user-friendly the operation will be once you are logged in, as you see the Windows desktop with the Start button, taskbar, and all the familiar elements. In order to log into the VPS for the first time, you will need the following three items: the assigned IP address or Internet Protocol address, your username, and your password. Let's begin by logging into Remote Desktop, which is how we access the virtual private server. We start by putting our cursor in the search bar next to the Start button, and we type or begin to type Remote Desktop. As soon as it comes up, we can click on the icon and we can immediately type in our IP address that was assigned. We'll then click on Connect, and this will bring up a place to put our username, which in my case is administrator, and our password, which I've just cut and pasted to my credentials space, and then click on OK, and then I click Connect. That brings up very quickly the remote desktop, and here you can see some very familiar elements. You'll notice one unfamiliar element is the on-screen keyboard, but that can be easily toggled on and off by just clicking this icon down here. You'll notice as well that you have an icon for Internet Explorer. This is just my personal preference, but I like to use either Chrome or Firefox in preference to Internet Explorer. So you can click on that and just use that to go get or download either Explorer, either Chrome or Firefox. Type in download Chrome, and then you can go to the Google website and download Chrome, or you can go to the Mozilla website and download Firefox. Now the only other thing I need to show you here that may not be familiar is I recommend using the keyboard shortcuts. Control plus C as in Charlie will copy. So when I want to toggle between my computer and the virtual private server, the easiest way is to just click this minimize button here, and then when I want to go back to it, I can click that icon down on my taskbar. So again, I can click the minimize button, which puts it down on my taskbar, and I can click the remote desktop icon to bring it back. So I can then, what I recommend you do is create a folder on your desktop that has all of Cliff's install folders or files, and then you can just copy the entire folder I did it that way so you could see me doing it. I right clicked on the icon and clicked copy. Then I go back to the desktop and I can click paste, and that puts my folder there. Or like I said, in some cases you won't see the paste show up on your virtual private desktop. So in that case, you want to use Control plus C for copy, which is your keyboard shortcut, and you want to use Control plus V, as in Victor, for paste. So that will let you cut, copy, and paste any of the installed programs for Clip. Or of course you could use Chrome or any of the browsers that you've installed to go get them one by one. But it'll save you a lot of time uploading Clip's software if you copy and paste all the install icons from your computer to the remote desktop. Then you can run the install programs and you're off and running.